Hello guys, this is the pike fishing trace. So you want to pull yourself off about 18 inches of wire there. That's 24-pound wire. Then you grab yourself a crimp. These are Slimbridge crimps for 20-30-pound wire. Okay, very fiddly, you just got to run it through. Grab yourself your treble. These are size 8, semi-barb, quite small, makes it quite tricky. So yeah, and then you're looking to put that other end back through the crimp, out the other end, and then back through again. Okay. So this is Drennan wire we're using here. So back it goes. Right, we're looking to tuck it back through the other way. It's best not to pull it up too tight at this stage, the loops, and just leave a bit of a gap. It's easier to push that wire through then. There it goes. Okay, so we've gone out through the other end, and we're looking to crimp it down now. So you grab your crimper. I haven't actually got a proper crimper, so I've just got this blunt set of nippers here, which does the job. So I'm looking at, just on this crimp, just looking to sort of nip it down about 4 times along it. They're not ideal crimpers, they're actually quite heavy, but there, that's all I had, so sometimes you just have to make do. And it should never pull out. So we just got to tidy things up. I'm going to nip it down again. And the small hooks are very, very, very fiddly. Okay, so there we go. All secured in. Just got to nip that bit of wire off there with the cutters. Some shears here. Sorry, I missed that bit off. And there we go. Right guys, so this is where we're trying to get to. We're trying to put the second treble on now. Now you can fix it with a crimp, or you can use the wire just to secure it by lassoing it round in a particular fashion. Alright, so I've just done it, and I'm just undoing it just to show you, so you can actually slide this along. Alright, so I'm sliding it along, so we find the size you want for the dead bait. Doesn't matter if you've got both hooks quite in the top half of the dead bait, so you can have 2 hooks tied together. So you lasso it round the top there, and you're looking to go through, go round about 5 times. But the hooks are quite small and quite tricky, so it sort of keeps bouncing off. So very sharp hooks. So I'm looking just to put that bit of wire through the eye there. Sorry you're seeing more of my hand than anything else, but I'm using a different camera than I was the other day. And there you go, that's secured now. A little bit long there, but you know, it's just to show you. You want to slide that down about another inch, probably, I'd say, which you could do. So there we go. I've slid it down a bit more. All right, and that's secure now. All right, so you've just got to tie a swivel and crimp at the other end. Pretty straightforward. I mean, you're looking at about 18 inches for a trace. but that what you got there is probably okay. It looks a little bit short, but it's just to show you. So through it goes again. Through it goes again. Give a biggish loop if you can. Turn it round. When they are 20 to 30 pound wire crimps, but they are, when you go through the third time, it's very, very tricky. Really persevere with it. Just takes quite a long time. Right, so we've gone through. All right, it looks a little bit untidy there, the wires, all, but that doesn't matter. It doesn't make any difference at all. And there you go. So just looking to crimp it again. Crimp it again. And snip off the end. So there you go, guys. That's the pike dead bait trace. Okay, you can do one very similar, as you can see down there with the lure, for a exactly the same sort of technique, just to do one for a spinning trace for pike. There you go. So please subscribe to my channel. I hope the video's been okay. I'm sorry I'm showing you a bit too much of the hand, but I really want to be a bit lower down to the board there. But you know, you still see what's is required. So there you go. You can put that on your dead bait, cast him out, pop it up, or whatever. You can probably just hook that up between 2 points and just leave it overnight, and that's straighten out again. So here's one we done earlier. Alright, that one's actually got a crimp. It's a lot longer, a lot tidier. Alright, and then there's one here what we use for a plug for bass or pike. Zander. Yeah, it's just to a clip. Just to a lure clip. Look, it's crimped up to a lure clip. Quick change clip. 18 inches and same the other end. Same bit of wire, 24 pound wire. There you go. Okay guys. Take care, and I hope it's been useful. Alright, cheers.